Hello everyone, Gecko here. I suppose you're wondering what Trevor the Tractor is doing on the construction site. Well, Trevor, Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane and Rick the Road Roller were all getting bored of doing the same thing every day. So they decided to swap jobs. I hope they're getting on okay with their new tasks. Oh dear, Trevor's meant to be filling in for Rick the Road Roller, but he's making a huge mess. You're meant to roll over the cement, Trevor, not the barrels. Oh no! Trevor's tyres are no good for rolling roads. They're not smooth enough. It looks like Trevor's now stuck in the cement. This job swap's not going according to plan, is it? Wait, what's that noise? Ouch! Rick swapped jobs with Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane. I'm not sure you're built for this line of work, Rick. Now Rick is in a daze. We're going to have to bandage him up. But if Rick's doing Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane's job, then where is Ryan? Thanks to Helen the Helicopter, Trevor's going back to my garage, where we'll get him out of the cement in no time. What's that, Blue? You've got a call from Green and Yellow Mechanical? Ryan's stuck under a tree down at the farm. We need to save him, quick! Mechanicals, you take Rick back to the garage. And Tilly, meet me at the farm. Don't worry, Ryan. We'll have you out of there in no time. One, two, three. Pull, Tilly, pull! Hooray! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. It looks like your wrecking ball was not used to hitting big trees, but now that it's gone, we'll replace it with ease. Go, go, Mechanicals! Well done, Mechanicals. Now that Ryan's got a new steel ball, he can forget all about his nasty fall. Phew! It's been quite a day at the garage. I think we can all agree you're best off just being yourselves, rather than trying to be something you're not. Thanks, everyone. Join us again next time at Gecko's Garage, once we've cleaned all this mess up. Bye!